Joe Savage here with Roads of Hope. When I really think about the significant role that we play, in many ways it's so minor compared to so many others, but we do the part that we can. And when I think about these children here singing behind me and all the abuse, all the neglect, parents passed away, whatever, these are orphan children, and we're bringing them together. So honored to play a part in this week that I could cry. I could so easily cry, to be honest with you, when I look at their faces and know where many of them have come from. And instead, you've helped us be able to put a smile on their faces and to be here and sing and just live a life like a normal child should. And then, after the camp's over, they go home and they have a home to go to. And when we got each one of these children, they didn't have a home. They were in horrible neglect or their parents had passed away. And instead they're here, and it's so cool. I'm so glad to be a part of it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for making this happen.